Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will cover authoring stack, which is nothing but if we have already seen this diagram. So the purple thing is all authoring stack, and you see this. Most of the things are covered. The document-based authoring, the Felix admin, where we have REST APIs available, the boards, etc. So the authoring stack in Franklin, of course, it runs on and entirely on AWS. So though we have two different stacks available, delivery stacks available, AWS, the Cloudflare one, but the authoring stack is only using AWS. Okay, that is one thing we need to remember. I mean, it's just for interview also. Okay, so there are various components available, but the documentation says three components are major, but we will see all: the Franklin board, the Franklin sidekick, and the Franklin admin service. The Franklin board. So what happens is whenever there is a GitHub repository change, right? I'll explain it. This is a buildless project. There is no build deployment happening. When we will see the demo, we will see whenever we are making any change in our code library, it's just automatically reflecting on the website. There is no build happening. So what is happening? Boards are configured. As soon as the changes happen on the code repository, it is available on your live website. So that is one thing. The Franklin board, it watches your GitHub repository continuously. And which lies here? This is our GitHub repository. There is a board associated. As soon as some changes, developer pushes the changes, etc. in the GitHub repository, this board just syncs it with the using the, of course, the Felix admin services. We have lots of REST based services available here. So for example, live, preview, etc. it is pushed to code bus. So starting from here, down here, if it is preview, and then here code bus. Simple. Okay, like this. Okay, that is one board. Another component is Franklin sidekick, used to trigger publishing action. Again, the Franklin admin is responsible here. I'm making some changes in Google Drive or SharePoint. I'm previewing it or I'm activating it, making it live. I have this board here, the Helix sidekick, which is an extension. We'll see it is very convenient to just install as a Chrome extension, and then we can just activate the content. Very easy, right? So Google Drive changes or SharePoint changes, and then using the Helix sidekick, again using the REST based services available in Helix admin, again it will go to the storage. This time maybe media bus or content bus. So for code changes, code bus through Helix admin service. For content changes, using Helix sidekick and admin services to media bus or content bus. Now the third one is, of course, the main thing, the main component sitting in between, the Franklin admin service, because of course it is responsible for to render the content from SharePoint, and to be true also from the GitHub board. Also what it does, I mean, we have the adapters available, the markdown adapters. I will create a separate video to explain what is markdown. Markdown adapters, we have Google Docs or the Word document, it will convert it to markdown, and then of course using these REST based services, it will be stored in the in either in the content bus or in the media bus. So it's I think fairly simple to understand. This whole purple thing is the author stack. The document will be changed here. We have Helix sidekick to publish, to activate the content using these REST based services. The content will either go to content bus or media bus. We have another board available, that is GitHub board. The code will be pushed to GitHub. It will sync to code bus, and then it will go to code bus. I mean, using the Helix admin services. Okay, that's it in this video, I think. Yeah, and then let's continue. Stay connected. Thank you so much for watching.